Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. As you know, Arkiv is the video management of choice for Inaxsys, and basically our friend from Ontario, Muhammad Rahim, who's the Director of Sales for Central Canada, has prepared a series of Arkiv tutorials for you to learn the system and how it works. All right, so let me transfer the camera to Muhammad now, and he's going to show you very interesting things.
Hi folks, today we're going to cover how to export video with the Arkiv software. We're going to do this from the playback menu and the search menu, and I will cover the differences. First, you double click on the camera in question, and then at the bottom you select playback. Playback is used for video or incidents that have occurred recently. So you can simply scroll your mouse to compress your time bar and then scroll to the time in question. In this case, we can then zoom into that time. So let's say we want to extract from here. We're going to hit the top selector, scroll down to wherever we want that video to end. For this example, I'm going to do a short excerpt. So we hit the end, and then you have this download icon. Once you hit download, it will give you the option of where you want to store the file. You can quickly change that or leave it at default, and you can select your file format. exe is the preferred method as it comes with a built-in player. You can also password protect the file. You then hit export, and there will be a progress bar at the top. When it's hit 100%, you have the open folder option. And then you will have the file, which will be an executable file. It'll have the name of the camera and the time. You double click on the file, and because this executable file includes the player, it will take a few seconds to load. So no additional players are required. You can give this file to anyone that needs to see the video, and they will basically run this file, and the player will automatically pop up. So in this case, our player popped up here. Click on it, and then if I hit play, you will see the footage in question. The other option is to do this using the search feature. So it's the same idea. You would double click on the camera in question from the main menu. And in this case, we would hit search. And we typically use this if you want to go way back in time. So in this case, I would select the calendar. For example, let's say we're looking at January 18th. Any days that have bold sort of highlights are days that have footage. So I would select the 18th, and then I select my time frame. So let's say it's 2 p.m. and my end time, we're going to do 3:31. And then in this case, we're going to do a thumbnail search. Now, you could do a host of different searches here. There are a series of features that Arkiv is very good at for smart forensic searches, which we will cover in other videos. But today, just for a quick thumbnail search, you can select the interval. So if we want to break up this approximate 1 hour into intervals of 10 minutes, I would hit 10, and then I hit search. My time frame is broken up here, as you can see, into 10-minute blocks. I would double click on the segment in question, and then I have my footage. I can hit play, and in this example, it was random, so nothing is happening. But again, I can select the time frame in question. You can pause the video. I can actually scroll left or right here to select the start and end of the time, or I can do it over on the right-hand side, just like on the previous portion, where we did the playback search. But in this case, we're going to tag 3:04. We scroll down to the time that we want. Notice that the bar moves on this side as well. We hit the end time. We have our download icon, and then it's the same thing. You choose your executable. You can password protect it. We can try password, let's say test, for example, and we hit export. We're going to have the executable extracting at the top. We hit open, and then again we have an executable file. So we will double click on our executable, And again, it takes a few seconds to load. It'll ask for the password. Hit test. Okay. And the video will load up. So as you can see, it's very simple to extract your video on Arkiv. You hit play, and there is the footage. Hope you enjoyed the video and hit the like button. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed, for this great tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button to follow our channel. All right, and if you need help, for technical support or sales, you can reach our teams from Inaxsys.com. There's going to be more videos to come, so keep on watching for them. And again, thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys, partnering with Muhammad Rahim from Central Canada. Thank you.